how to enable notifications on Botim app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to get alerts from your Botim app and want to enable notifications? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up the app and then go to the profile icon in the top right corner. Under preferences, you'll find notifications, tap on it, and then toggle on message notifications. You can change the sound if you want to, and then you can see preview. So you can even toggle on to show preview. This will show message content in notifications, and you can toggle on sound and even toggle on the vibrate if you want to, and you can even change the notification style. And if you want notifications for new contacts that have joined on Botim, then you can toggle that on as well. So it's as simple as that to enable notifications on Botim app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.